This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mark Engledow. Buy or lease. Best C2 value in Blue Ridge. Large, versatile 5,200 plus square feet. Commercial building on March 4th of an acre. Great for manufacturing and assembly business, office complex, retail shops, antique mall, daycare center, kids or doggies. Perfect for a dine-in, carry-out restaurant, drive-in theater, high school events and community theater all within walking distance. Plenty of parking. In excellent location. Has loading dock and handicap access. 900 square feet upstairs including bath and small kitchen for additional office space and/or lounge. Buy or lease. For more information, review the details below.